Hey cruisers, I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. We now know what all of the hinting was about this week from Royal Caribbean and Celebrity, and this is some really big and exciting news. Both Royal Caribbean and Celebrity today have announced that they are going to start sailing in June outside of the US. Are you ready for the details? Let's start with Royal Caribbean, who announced today to travel agents that they are going to begin offering cruises on Adventure of the Seas from Nassau, Bahamas in June. Yes, June of this year, 2021. So they're going to be offering 7-night cruises. Yes, full 7-night cruises to Cozumel, Grand Bahama Island, and their amazing Perfect Day at Coco Cay, which if you haven't checked it out, we will link to a video from our experience there. It is not to be missed. They're going to sail June through August 2021 on Adventure of the Seas out of Nassau. Now, here's all of the nitty-gritty stuff that I know you want to know. First, the cruises will go on sale starting next week. March 24th, 2021 is when you can work with your travel agent or Royal Caribbean directly to try to start booking. They're going to be announcing details on health and safety measures a little bit later, but you can already see a lot of that on their website. Now, here's what I know all of you want to know because this is the polarizing topic, right? All crew members will be vaccinated on board, and guests will also have to be vaccinated if they're 18 years of age or older. However, children under the age of 18 will be able to sail without vaccination with proof of a negative COVID test, which is cool. So, wow. A lot to process here. I'm still processing this. Adventure of the Seas, because of this, will be canceling their Europe season, which is certainly understandable considering the circumstances. I know we are all very excited about this. Let's talk about Celebrity's announcement. Now, Celebrity's announcement actually came out before Royal Caribbean's announcement, and they have announced they're also restarting from June with their ship Celebrity Millennium out of St. Martin. And those sailings will go on sale beginning March 25th. They are going to be visiting, let's see here, they have a couple of itineraries. One of the itineraries will call on Aruba, Curacao, and Barbados. And the second itinerary is Tortola, St. Lucia, and Barbados. This one will also be a fully vaccinated cruise, except for children under 18. So both crew and passengers will be fully vaccinated, except for kids, and kids will be permitted to sail. These cruises will be, looks like they're bundling air and cruise for the Celebrity cruises at rates starting at $1,999 per person for a veranda stateroom. So the thing is, we don't know about pricing at all for the Royal Caribbean Adventure of the Seas. We only know the starting point for verandas. And I don't know if those are first and second passenger and if it's less for third. We just don't have those details yet. But this is really super exciting. If you were booked on Millennium for Alaska, Pacific Coastal, or Panama Canal and Transatlantics, those have all been suspended. So they're replacing those voyages with this season out of St. Martin, which is really neat. So bravo to Royal Caribbean and Celebrity for taking matters into their own hands and finding home ports that allow us all to get back on the high seas sooner. We're very excited to see what the offerings are when Royal Caribbean releases all of the booking information for Adventure of the Seas. You better believe I'll be sitting on that website and checking out prices and seeing if this is something that our family can do. Of course, the question then is also, is it going to be possible for everyone who wants to go on these cruises to be vaccinated in time to get on one of them in June if they would like to? And the way that it's looking in the United States, that does seem like a possibility, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see. I would love to hear your thoughts. Are you going to be looking these bookings up next week? Are you going to be checking them out? You never know. We're definitely going to be checking them out, and we just might see you on board one of these ships because it would be awesome for our family to be on one of the first cruises back out there. It'll all depend on how it looks, but we're very much going to be looking into it. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up before you go. And until next time, friends, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.